Lesson 7.7, Implicit Differentiation, Level 2. It says, if we have negative 3 minus x times y equals 5x cubed, find dy over dx in terms of x and y. Okay, I'm going to write the function again. The reason why this is level 2 is because now I see a product rule. X is getting multiplied to y. But I'm still taking both sides of the entire function times d over dx. So my constant would go away. This minus sign, I'm going to go ahead and just write it, and then I'm going to kind of forget about it and just see x times y. So remember, product rule says take the derivative of, you can do it in two different ways. I'm going to take the derivative of, actually I'm going to keep x. So for me, I like to keep x and then take the derivative of y, which would really be 1, but it's going to be like a dy over dx, or y prime, plus derivative of x is 1, and then times just normal y. So I don't need a y prime because I'm not taking the derivative of y in this second part of the product rule. Equals, and then this would be just 15x squared. And I don't have to have anything special there. Okay, so now I want to distribute my negative. That would be negative xy prime minus y equals 15x squared. I only see y prime in one of the terms, which is convenient. I'm going to isolate by keeping this term. I'm going to add y. That would be negative x times y prime equals 15x squared plus y, and I'm going to divide away the negative x. So my derivative is 15x squared plus y over negative x. Not too bad. And then number 2. So again, I see a product rule here. Okay, so I'm going to take my function and write it again. Take the whole thing times d over dx, and so this would become negative 4, but since I'm taking the derivative of y, it's going to be y prime plus 6x, constant goes away. Okay, product rule. I'm going to keep this negative 5x as one piece times y. So first thing I'm going to do is keep the negative 5x times the derivative of y, which would just be y prime, plus the derivative of negative 5x, which is negative 5, times just y. Okay, and then I want to get my y prime terms on the same side. I'm adding 5x y prime. I'm going to subtract the 6x. I'm going to factor out my y primes. And then divide. So dy over dx is negative 6x minus 5y. I'll divide by negative 4 plus 5x. It's not too bad.